You put them right into your VitaMix. Filtered water, filtered through a Vita. Filtered water in here. I kind of eyeball it. That should be enough. Put it on here. Gotta get your cap on. Get your plunger in. Turn on the juice. Bam, done. Bring it over here. Don't want to get the mess anywhere. Oh yeah. Look at that frothy, delicious milk. That's gonna make one hell of a latte. Oh yeah. Look at that. Huh? What do you gentlemen and ladies think? Cafe mocha. Fill her up with a regular. That is how you make a latte with your own homemade cashew milk. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.